Hi everyone! I'm here at the other side of Gateway Mall, specifically the new Frontier Theater. It's a Saturday and the place is closed on weekends unless there is an event. And we're here today to help guide one of our viewers on how to watch a concert here, where to go, where to buy tickets. For the NFT, this is the on-site ticket booth. Right now, no one is selling tickets. On-site tickets are being sold over there at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. So when there's an actual event or concert, this is still the main entrance. And once again, this is the one fronting Gateway Mall or the Gateway Towers. That would be the office space of Gateway Mall, as you can see up there. So it's a tall building pretty much, and that's all you need to look for. There's also wristbands to its left as your marker, but pretty much this is the only place you need to go if you need to watch an event or a concert live or in person. So now let's head over to the Smart Araneta Coliseum and see where we can buy tickets there on site. Otherwise, to make your life easier, you can actually also buy tickets over at TicketNet online. In fact, that is the preferred mode of buying tickets right now for safety, for health and safety. There's no extra charge, so might as well take advantage of that. So we're now crossing the street, heading over to the Smart Araneta Coliseum. We need to walk a bit faster because of the cars. Although there are pedestrian lanes, but as you can see, drivers aren't always very respectful of pedestrians around here. So you always have to watch your step every time. See, they're not giving way. That was very bold of that lady. I was crossing the street with. She really barred the vehicle from inching further forward. I guess that's her right. As a pedestrian, she had the right to cross the pedestrian lane. Especially since there's no stoplight. So anyway, we're here. This is the Gateway Mall side, right beside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. A famous landmark here is, yes, Starbucks coffee, as you can see. And today we're here to find out where we can buy tickets for upcoming concerts. And if my hunch is correct, it's going to be over at this side, turning to the right, and you can see all the dining establishments that we will be passing by. Dairy Queen, of course, and there's also another Max's branch over here up ahead and to the left. So this is a covered hallway. And to the right is Coffee Bean and TV. Okay, so yeah, it's right here. The ticket booth is right in front of Coffee Bean and TV, as you can see. So people are actually lined up right now, buying tickets. And there's the online address for TicketNet Online. It's www.ticketnet.com.ph if you want to buy your tickets online instead. And these are currently some of the events and performances that are lined up for this month. And for Kia Theater, that would be Arthur Neri right there. So this is where you buy tickets for all these events and concerts if you want to watch them. But once again, for a pain-free purchase, you can get it at the TicketNet Online. And also be wary of scalpers. Make sure that you buy your tickets only from the ones I've mentioned, so that you ensure that your tickets are valid and will be honored when you finally come to watch. So there are authorized resellers advertised at the the Araneta City website. I will be sharing the link down in the description below to help you further. And now that we have the ticket purchase dealt with, let's now go to the different gates where you can enter the Smart Araneta Coliseum. And the most common one is the one right beside the Starbucks coffee up ahead. In case you are not aware yet, the Coliseum is divided into 4 sections. There's the patron section, the lower ground, upper ground, and the uppermost, or the section that's farthest from the stage. So there are designated gates for each section, as you can see on the screen right there. So all you need to do is to present your ticket so that the ushers can guide you to the correct gate that you should enter when you get here. Yeah, so this is a better view. So this is the main entrance, actually, right here. Something you also need to take note of is that there's a policy that you can only enter once, and once you exit the Coliseum, that's it. You cannot re-enter. So it gives you fair warning that before you enter, you make sure that you have everything that you need with you, your wallet or whatever, because once you're inside, you cannot go out anymore and get inside again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button, like this video, share it. Until the next one, thanks for watching. Keep safe and have a rosy day ahead. Bye!